Hello students, today in fourth part of our maths lecture, we will continue our lesson number 1, geometrical constructions. In last lecture, we have seen that for constructing any type of triangle, we need at least 3 elements. So today in this lecture, we will learn how to construct a triangle when length of two sides and angle included by them is given. Let's start. Now let's see our first question. Draw triangle XYZ such that length XY is equals to 4.5 centimeter. Measure angle Y is equals to 70 degree. Length YZ is equals to 6 centimeter. So as I told you in last lecture that for construction of any triangle we have to draw rough figure. So for this also we will draw one rough figure. We will draw one triangle. Will give name what is given in the question. It is given XYZ. So here I will write XYZ. After writing name of a triangle, we'll see what measurements are given in the question. It is given length XY is equals to 4.5 centimeter. So here we have our XY. So here we will write 4.5 centimeter. Then it is given measure angle Y is equals to 70 degree. So this is our angle Y. So here we will write 70 degree. Then it is given length YZ is equals to 6 centimeter. This is our YZ. So here we will write 6 centimeter. So as in previous lecture I told you for construction of any triangle we need 3 elements. So have a look, we have 3 elements. First, length XY is given. Second, angle Y is given, and third, length YZ is given. So we have our 3 elements with us, so we can draw triangle. So according to our rough figure, we will start constructing our triangle. We'll start with segment YZ 6 centimeter. So with the help of scale and pencil, we will draw segment YZ 6 centimeter. So we'll write name YZ 6 centimeter. Now after that we will see our angle Y is 70 degree. So here we have our point Y. So we will keep our protractor on point Y or vertex Y. Adjust your protractor properly. Our this black line should be on exactly our segment YZ, and this dot should be on vertex Y. Now in first lecture of your max, I have explained you whenever our vertex is towards left hand side, then we have to see the numbers which are mentioned down. Now my vertex Y is towards left hand side of my hand, so I will see the numbers which are shown down. So I have to draw 70 degree. So I will see down where is 70 degree. So here down I have 70 degree. Here I will plot point and then I will join it with Y. Will give arrow here. Now this angle is 70 degree. So we will show a symbol of angle and we will write 70 degree. Now till here our segment YZ we have finished. Then we have drawn angle Y. Now this part is left. YX or XY is 4.5 centimeter. Now we will use rounder and with the help of scale we will take out 4.5 centimeter. Now our yx is 4.5 centimeter. I don't have y and x anywhere, but I have y. So I will keep my rounder on point y and I will put a cross. I will put an arc on this ray which I have drawn. So I will put one arc. Now where the arc has intersected the arm of this ray, this point is nothing but point x. So I will give name as x. Now this point we will join with point z. Now we know xy we have drawn 4.5 centimeters. So here we will write Here we will write 4.5 centimeter. Now see our second question. Draw triangle FUN. Length FU is equals to 5 centimeter. Length UN is equals to 4.6 centimeter. And measure angle U is equals to 110 degree. So first we will draw rough figure. So roughly we will draw one triangle. Name is given FUN. So I will write a name FUN. After writing name, we will see what measurements are given. FU is equals to 5 centimeter. So this is our FU. So here we will write 5 centimeter. Then it is given UN is equals to 4.6 centimeter. This is our UN. So here we will write 4.6 centimeter. Then it is given measure angle U is equals to 110 degree. This is our angle U. So this angle we will mark and will write 110 degree. Now according to our rough figure, we will draw our triangle. First we will start with UN 4.6 centimeter. So we will draw one segment 4.6 centimeter with the help of scale and pencil. So we'll write name UN, then we will write the measurement 4.6 centimeter. After that we will draw angle U. Now for constructing angle U, we will use protractor. We will adjust protractor accordingly as we have to draw angle U. So this point should be exactly on point U and our black line should be on segment UN. Now as I explained earlier, now in this case also my vertex U is on left hand side of my hand. So I will see the numbers which are shown down. So after adjusting the protractor, as we have to draw angle 110, so we will see down where I have 110. So here I have 110. So here I will plot one point. Then I will join this point with vertex U by using scale. We'll put arrow and we will show here that this angle is 110 degree. So UN we have drawn, angle U is done. Now our FU segment is left. FU is given 5 centimeter. So now you will use compass or rounder. We will take out 5 centimeter as UF or FU is 5 centimeter. So we'll open rounder 5 centimeter. Now as FU is 5 centimeter, I don't have F anywhere, but I have U. So I will keep my compass on point U and I will put one arc on the ray which I have drawn just now. Where this arc has intersected this ray, this point we will label as F. Now our FU is 5 centimeter. So on this segment we will write 5 centimeter. And after that this point F we will join with point N. Students, this is your assignment which you have to do daily and your work should be signed by your parents. Along with this assignment, you have to construct the triangles which are shown in this video. Thank you. God bless you all.